Hi everyone, welcome you all. In our previous video, we have seen how to read content from the PDF file using PDFBox library. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how can we create a new PDF file along with some content. And in this also, we are going to use PDFBox library, and which is a free or open source library, which can access through this link pdfbox.apache.org. And you can see all the documentation, example links and everything. So if you want to create a new PDF file using PDFBox library, first thing we need to add required dependency in pom.xml. So if I go back to the MVN repository, and here you can search for PDFBox, and you will get the required dependency. This is our Apache PDFBox, and 2.0.29 is older version and recent version is 3.0.0, and this is having some changes. I will show you both the versions. First we will start with 2.0.29, and we'll try to add this dependency in pom.xml. I go back to pom.xml, and I have already added the dependency in pom.xml of my Maven project. Okay, so now let us see how to write our Java code which will create a new PDF file with some content. So for that, I already have PDF files package, and inside this, I'm going to create a new class. I'll name it as create PDF. I'm taking main method and say finish. Okay, so it is very simple and a few steps we have to follow. So the first step, whenever you want to create a new PDF document, we need to create PD document object. We have a special class provided by PDFBox, which is PD document. PD document. For this, we need to create one object called document equal to new PD document. And this PD document, we have to import from org-apache.pdfbox.pd model. And once you create this, inside the document, this is for what? New, create a new PDF document. And now the PDF document contains a PDF page. Now we need to create a new page in PDF. So to create a new page, we have another class called PD page. For that, we need to create one object called page is equal to new PD page. And in which we want to create this PD pages inside the document. So that we need to pass. Okay, and not this document, we need to pass something called type of the page, because in the PDF document we can create different sizes of pages, and that we need to specify. So that we can specify by using a special class called PD rectangle dot. Here you will see rectangle dot. Here you can see different sizes of pages from A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, and so on. So whichever size of paper, whichever size of page you want to create in PDF file, you can select. So normally we take A4. So I'm taking A4 page, PD rectangle dot A4. So this PD page will throw some, we need to import from PDFBox.pd model again. So now we created a new document, and then we created a new page, document and page. Now we need to add this page to this document. So far, there is no connection between these two, right? So we need to add this page to the document. So to do this, we have one more method here, that is document, whatever the method we created, object document dot add page. And here we have to add this page. So this command will add this page to the document. So now we want to write some content in the PDF file. So before writing the content, we have to create something called content stream for that particular page. So how to create a content stream? Create content stream for creating some content in the PDF. So to create a content stream for the page, we have a special class called again PD page content stream. PD page content stream. For that, we need to create one object. I call it as content stream new, and again we'll create an object for the same content stream. And here we have to pass two parameters. One is the document which we have to pass, and the second parameter we have to pass page of the document. So in this particular object, we are invoking the constructor by passing two parameters. Now we need to import this PD page content stream from org apache.pdfbox.pdf model. So we have created a content stream through which we will write a content in the PDF page or document. Now we need to add this exception. Now the next step. So before writing the content in the PDF document, we have to set font, what type of font you want to write and what type of size, that we have to specify. Font and size we need to specify. That's the next step. Font, what type of font you want to use in the document and what type of size, font size. So how can we specify this? By using this content stream. So by using this content stream dot, there is a method called set to font. So this will take two parameters. And in older version of PDFBox 2.x and 3.x, there is a difference in this. Both in the both versions we use set font, but the parameter way is different. Okay, so here we have to just specify font name. First parameter is font name that we can access through another class. I can say PD type 1 font dot. Here it will show you all the fonts which are available. So whichever font you want to use, you can just specify that font. So I want to use something called Korea. And here we can specify size of the font. Let's say I'm putting 14th. So this command content stream dot set font type and font size we have to specify. And along with this, we need to add some more contents. So this is just for font setting. Now by using same content stream, okay, we need to start writing the text. So that we can do by using begin text. We have to call one method called begin text. After that, we need to specify a new line, like two parameters we need to pass, because if you're taking A4 page, we won't start content from the beginning itself, right? We will give some padding space kind of thing. So from the top and from the left or right alignment, right? So for that, we need to use content stream dot use a one method called new line at offset. So in this we have to pass, let me just give something like 50.700, some random numbers. And based upon this values, the content or text will be written in the PDF file. And by using this content stream, we can do many things. Content stream here, I'm going to add some text in the PDF file or page. So here I call show text. Here you can pass text, whatever you want to display in the file. I can say hello, welcome to PDFBox. I'm writing some text. So after that, you can end the text. Content stream, again, same object, content stream dot end text. So this will, so here we are beginning the text and we are specifying where you want to write the text and writing the text and then closing the text. So after that, we need to close content stream. So once we have created everything, whatever content stream we created here, so that we have to close. So content stream dot close. So once it is closed, now we need to save the PDF document somewhere else. So to save the PDF document, we have to call one method from the document dot save. And here we need to specify the location where you want to save the file. So I want to save the file inside my data folder in my project dot / in my data folder. I want to save my file with some name. let's say new sample.pdf. Your sample.pdf is already there. Now I'm going to create a new file with new sample.pdf in my data folder. Okay, so after that, we have to close the document also. Document dot close. After that, you can simply write one simple confirmation message. And here I'm writing PDF created successfully. Done. So now save the file and that's it. Very simple. So let me repeat the steps. First, we need to create a new PDF document object by using PD document. Now we need to create a new page. Then we add that page to the PDF document. After that, we have to create something called PD page content stream. Through this, we can write the content in the PDF file. And before writing the content, by using this content stream, we have to set some parameters, like we need to set font, type, and size. And we need to begin the text. And then we have to specify where you want to write the text and what text you want to write. You can specify by using show text, and we need to end the text. And once you have done it, then we have to close the content stream and save the document wherever you want to save. And then finally close the document and simply return a confirmation message. That's it. So in the 2.x and 3.x, the change is this one. So the font setting, there is a change. So I will show you that change. So as of now, we are using 2.x, right? So let me try to execute this code. Run as Java application. Okay, now PDF created successfully. Now go to the folder and just refresh. And you can see new sample.pdf is got created. And just click on it. See here, this is the text which I have created. So we have given Courier font, Courier 14. So this is created same text with the Courier font. Okay, so like this, we can create our own new PDF file. We can add some content in the PDF file. So now we'll see the change between 2.x and the 3.x. And in the 2.x, this is the font and size we specify. This is 2.x older version. Now in the latest version, we have to, okay, let me first change the dependency, go to pom.xml. And currently we are using 2.x, 2.0.29. Now I comment this. Then I'll try to enable the latest version of PDFBox library. So 3.0.0. Save this. Now, when I enable the latest version, this is a command which will give an error. Let me try to enable this. So here, this will give you an error. Courier cannot be resolved. So we cannot directly specify the font. Okay. So a slight change is here. So let me show you. In 3.x, we have to use same content stream and same method set font. But here we cannot directly pass PD type 1.font.courier. So instead of that, we need to create an object for this PD type 1 font. Okay, let me remove this. First parameter, this is only one change. Here we need to create an object for PD type 1 font. Okay. Earlier, in this class, we have a static variables, all font types. So we are directly accessing. But now it is not a static variable. It is just changed as an enumeration in Java. So new PD type 1 font. In this object, we need to call one constructor. In that constructor, we need to pass actually font type. To access all font types, we need to call another class called standard 14 fonts. Standard 14 fonts dot, and here we have an option called font name, and here we can see all the fonts. Whichever font you want, you can create. So let me take some different font this time. Okay, this is a way. And the size we can specify as usual 14, or you can put more size or less size. So this is the only change. Previous versions we directly access PD type 1 font.courier. But here we need to create a new object for this PD type 1 font, this one, and we need to pass inside the test font. And if you are confusing by seeing this, you can create a separate variable. So what we can do is we can just remove here and create a separate variable for this. So actually this is a PD type 1 font, right? So we can create that object. Type 1 font, and here font equal to new PD type font, and then this particular font you can directly pass here. Okay, if you are confusing by seeing one single statement, you can split this. But in the previous versions, very simple, you can say PD type 1 dot font type, but here we need to use special class, and that we can pass in this. Save, and let me execute one more time. This is 3.x, new change. Okay, now PDF is created successfully. Now let us refresh the data folder. Now we can open the file. Yes, now the font is also got changed. Right, so this is how we can create a new PDF file, and we can also add content by using PDFBox. So this is a major change between 2.0 and 2.x. Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.